The Keychron Q1 Pro is hands down the best 75% compact keyboard for programmers and serious typists that we've tested. It stands out for its exceptional build quality, outstanding typing feel, and high level of customization, making it ideal for coding and other intensive tasks. Unlike most mechanical keyboards, the Q1 Pro features a double gasket-mounted design that delivers a softer, almost springy typing experience. This makes typing less fatiguing over long periods of use, while also providing a quiet, satisfying click with each keystroke. One of the major highlights of the Keychron Q1 Pro is its level of customization. It comes with a hot swappable PCB, allowing users to easily swap out or replace switches, stabilizers, and keycaps according to their preferences. The keyboard even includes a toolkit to help you disassemble and mod the keyboard, offering endless possibilities for personalization and customization. Whether you want a different switch feel, custom stabilizers, or unique keycaps, the Q1 Pro makes it easy to tailor your setup to your exact specifications. In addition to its hardware customization, the Q1 Pro is fully compatible with VIA and QMK customization software, which means you can make software and firmware level adjustments to enhance your workflow. This makes it a great option for programmers and other tech enthusiasts who need shortcuts, macros, or other personalized key configurations to streamline their work. While this keyboard is primarily aimed at programmers, it's also great for anyone who doesn't rely heavily on the function row keys, thanks to its compact size and efficient layout. There are also multiple models available within the Keychron Q Pro series, including the slightly more compact Q4 Pro and the full-size Q6 Pro, each offering the same high typing quality, wireless connectivity, and customization options. Whether you're coding, navigating complex code bases, or just typing away on large documents, the Keychron Q1 Pro delivers an unparalleled typing experience that feels responsive and smooth right out of the box. With its high-quality build, thoughtful design, and customizable features, the Q1 Pro is a worthy investment for any serious typist or programmer looking to enhance their workflow and productivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.